So this is my Sailor Venus doll. She is done, completed. We've got the hair bow in the back, of course. I did make her arms a bit too fat, as you can see. They're like sausage arms. I'm not pleased with them at all. And if you look really closely here, I did make them a bit longer because I felt like she had like a issue where she was like kind of stubby. So I did do some adjusting there. And of course, there'll be some pictures like, oh gosh, that doesn't work, like right here, when I added those legs. So I'm like casually out of like a regular Red Heart Super Saver yellow yarn. So I used some yellow that I had laying around. And yep, I definitely like how her eyes came out. You may not be able to see too well on camera, like if you can, but there's like some Mod Podge on her eyeballs itself. And then I used some clear nail polish topper, a top coat, yes, a top coat. And it's like matte on the outside, but you really can't tell the difference on camera. But yes, this is Sailor Venus. This is like my workstation or impromptu one. And say goodbye, Venus.